Hello traders, this is Ala Peters, founder of Fibonacci Trading Institute and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci method. In this webinar, I will be teaching you how you can improve your trading with 5 critical steps using Alpha Fibonacci System. Trade it on Wall Street. But first, I would like to remind you extremely important disclaimer. Fibonacci Trading Institute, myself or my incredible team are not registered with US Security Commissions or any financial regulatory authority. All the content in this webinar courses, software and communication for educational purposes only. Nothing is ever to be construed as a financial advice. Past performance not indicative of future results. All software, all demonstration as is without any express or implied warranties. Trading future stocks and Forex involves substantial risk, and I hope and pray you are fully aware of these risks. It is essential to recognize that all testimonials from our students and graduates of the course I believe to be true, but the facts stated in testimonials had not been independently verified. We have an incredible community of traders, as you will see in this webinar, but students' performance does not guarantee anyone else's performance. This is standard required disclaimer. Let's start, shall we? In this webinar, we will cover about Alpha Fibonacci Trading System. We will discuss 5 crucial steps to improve your trading, and we will go over multiple examples in current markets, from day trading futures to stocks to Forex, and of course, traders globally trading Alpha Fibonacci method on options. You will see how students applying these crucial steps on all instruments, including this morning. Briefly about myself. I hold multiple degrees. I've been investing in real estate since the day I arrived to incredible country, United States of America, land of milk and honey. I was political refugee. I had brand new baby on my hands. But I believed in this country. I believed in very bright future. And because I started investing in the markets in real estate very early, I became very successful. By the time I turned 30, I made first million. However, when the shock and horror of 2008 arrived, it's a very powerful reminder of what just played out. Crashes will play out. So when I was introduced to Fibonacci in 2004, I recognized during the crash of 2008, there is something that's drastically more powerful than news of fundamentals will ever be. That Fibonacci what forms all markets. Ever since I devoted all of my time, all of my effort to developing proprietary Fibonacci strategies, Fibonacci software. I developed multiple strategies, multiple software. I've been teaching traders from beginner to hedge fund manager in US and globally how to trade proprietary system on all instruments. We also have Fibonacci Trading Institute YouTube channel and podcast channel where you can listen to traders globally who are trading the method. I trade the world meeting with students. Students invite me to their weddings. Students bring in their spouses to the course. We have husband who just brought his wife, who brought his best friend. We have father who brought his son. You will see all of this next. Alpha Fibonacci Trading System is a complete semi-automated system with multi-market scanner and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci software. It is a strategic, precise, institutional trend system that removes speculation and allows trader to trade markets as strategic Alpha Fibonacci chess. So let's dive straight to it, shall we? Here's a chart on Dow with Alpha Fibonacci system. March 21st, 23rd, Black Thursday. Institutional bullish trend inception. Alpha Fibonacci traders knew this in advance. We identified that when price will reach this level, this is crucial institutional buy point. Nothing else will ever tell you this in advance. Alpha Fibonacci System will. Since 2009, institutional rallies started from Alpha Fibonacci decision 0.25 times. Institutional bullish trend inception on Black Thursday is reached. So when this level is reached, there is panic on the news. It is the worst day ever. But intelligent traders understand very, very clearly. Only if you turn off the news, only if you turn off the panic, only if you understand what institutions do, you will respect the most spectacular bullish rally, vertical rally since 1987, with the biggest profits for institutional traders in 40 years, despite the worst economic crisis. This is a very powerful lesson on power of pure price and Alpha Fibonacci system, as method identifies all in advance, never after the fact. And when institutional rally will reach this ultimate high 29,000 level on Dow, you need to be prepared. And if you understand why market is so difficult now, you are taking a well-deserved vacation. And if you can master these brutal markets, you can trade anything. Because the most difficult markets on record over extended bullish rallies, which can last many, many months, when institutions holding positions, markets are challenging. This was easy part. This was spectacular, breathtaking bullish support. This was phenomenal. This was last opportunity 2 weeks ago. For many, many months, until institutions will start closing positions, markets will be very, very challenging, which means you must be prepared. And that's the power of the system. You strategize in advance. You trade with institutions with ultimate precision on any chart you choose, from 1, 5, 15 minute S&P, Dow, NQ, Bitcoin, Euro, Pound, Apple. You decide what you want to trade. And here is the reason why. If I come back to this chart, take a look. This is S&P in current markets this morning. On July 24th, on July 29th, on July 30th, this was institutional buy point. This was second best. If you short it anywhere near these levels, you have a lot to learn. Alpha Fibonacci trader was on standby, looking to buy the bottom with institutions. On this week and prior week, this was ultimate buy point. Not here, traders. And if right now I will take this pointer and I will show you the power of the system, you will see what we will be discussing in tomorrow's class and what you can view in modules 3 and 4 with hundreds of videos. How in advance you know where to buy, where to sell the markets. Here's 5-minute chart on S&P. This was market close. So if you're buying anywhere near here, you have a lot to learn. Nothing good happens here. Never, ever, ever if you're buying near Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. But if I convert this chart to 15, to any time frame, any instrument you trade, you will appreciate the power of this system. Here is S&P E-mini future on weekly chart in the last 10 years. This is correction 2014, 15, 16. Look at this. Identical support as played out on S&P in the last 2 days, except this is institutional long-term chart where billions of dollars traded. So as a day trader and investor, you buying at 1800 level, you are in excellent shape and you are prepared for correction 2018 when S&P starts selling off. But as an investor, you knew this years in advance, many years in advance. You're trading with institutions and not against them. And when sell-off 2018 reaches Alpha Fibonacci support, you are very well prepared. You are buying with institutions from ultimate bullish trend inception. And that's exactly what played out in the last few months. All in advance, never ever after the fact. Phenomenal sell-off 2020 identified months in advance. You are not losing sleep, you are not stressing out, you're extremely well prepared. Stress is not a good thing. Stress creates health problems, losing sleep, wiping out profits. But if you're understanding the power of the system, if you're understanding where reversal zones are, you are not panicking. You are very well prepared. No matter if you're holding position for days, weeks, months, and years, utilizing long-term charts, or if you are day trading the method. Identical power, identical accuracy apply. If you're trading 3-minute or monthly, weekly charts, as traders do globally, it is all the same, no matter what you trade. And that's S&P today and in the last 10 years. So here's a legend in the course. You can listen to Dominic on our podcast channel. Andy, his incredible father, brought Dominic to the course. Dominic said, "This is the best video game in town. This is so easy." Dominic right now on vacation in Spain. Dominic knows what he will do for the rest of his life. He will never need anything else ever again. So if Dominic can accomplish such performance, and Dominic is so grateful and can trade during such difficult markets, spending less than 2 hours in front of the screen per day, so can you, using crucial 5 steps we will address next. First key step: trade with rules, indicator free, price and Fibonacci only. If you're ever cluttering your mind, if you're ever cluttering your time with the rest of the junk, with the rest of delayed artificial stuff, if you're chasing magic point, if for the last 20 years you've been chasing and looking for answers, answer lies inside of you. This is all you ever need. This is all Dominic looks at. Every single indicator on the planet developed after the price. So why go to artificial afterthought when in fact simplicity is key to your success? Right now we have 7-year-old son of another trader practicing to beat 14-year-old. So they can do it. So can anyone. Because simplicity is key to success. So if you look at this, you know very, very clearly, market right now in pain. But if you can trade S&P hourly, you can trade any chart. If I convert this chart to 5, it looks identical. I recognized this in 2004. I recognized if you can trade 5-minute chart, you can trade Apple monthly. You can trade Euro weekly. It's all the same traders. You will never need anything else. Dominic knows what he will do for a living. Why are you chasing indicators? The answer is in front of you. This is present on any platform. Price on every single instrument is identical. It will never change. Stop chasing magic bullet. Start paying attention to pure price. This is crucial, critical component of Alpha Fibonacci system. And if you apply the rules, you stop chasing markets. You stop sweating bullets. You start trading consistently without gambling, without speculation, without need for another indicator ever again. System consists only of two components: indicator-free price and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci retracements. Nothing else is needed ever across all instruments. Here's S&P Mini short trade with software on NinjaTrader 8. Pure entry, pure stop, pure targets. And when you're trading with institutional buyers and when you're trading with day trading ranges, you're trading less than 2 hours per week. If Dominic can do it, so can you. You do not need another indicator again. This is what traders do. As you can see, Andy says, my 14-year-old son is up 325 points on Dow this week using only AFS. This was last week before Dominic left for vacation. Ken sharing 5 minutes is done. Study all day. He's practicing because Ken understands repetition and focus key to success. But as Andy shares his son trading less than 2 hours per day, they do it together as a team. Scott shares maximum 90 minutes a day, but Scott is obsessed with the system, with the method. He's trading everything, as you will see next. This is what you can do, being your own boss, trading any time you wish. All depends on the instruments you trade. If Dominic can do this 3 profitable weeks in a row, so can anyone. Thousands and thousands of emails and posts in the last 10 years. All of this playing out now when traders spending time golfing, enjoying their life. Jennifer, Emmanuel's wife, her husband brought her to the course. Newborn babies right next to her. And you will see what Ken does next, trading Bitcoin and option. Currently he is 88 for 88. That's it. That's the power of community and system globally. So this is what Brad has done in the month of July. In the worst markets ever, because overextended rally, when institutions holding positions are the worst markets ever, you can see his every single trade to the tick, 120 points on S&P. On one lot, it's $6,000. On 10 lots, $60,000. on 20 lots, $120,000, working less than 8 hours per week. Some of the day, less than 5 minutes. When price at institutional support. When you come to our home page, this is where you will find journeys and stories of our traders, all in front of you. Their podcasts. Brad was making $9 an hour at Best Buy. Tried for 20 years before. You can see the movie he has made about his journey. You can see what Ken does. You can see what Scott does. You can listen to Dominique. This is only the start of this webinar. Let's go on to very powerful reminder of Alpha Fibonacci System. This is what you see in front of you. This is critical support on Amazon a couple of years ago. Bright pink line identifies the end of the minor trend. In advance, Alpha Fibonacci trader knows no matter how spectacular the earnings will be on Amazon, when price will come to reversal zone, Amazon will crash with more than 80% accuracy. Amazon comes out with excellent earnings. So why in the world is Amazon selling off $700 per share? Because market is Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. If trading on the news worked, every single person would be shorting the markets now. The most powerful vertical bullish rally during the worst crisis and Amazon crash during the excellent earnings is a stunning reminder. Trading with price and Alpha Fibonacci system is a path to success when Amazon does this again and again and again. 2019 selling off another $400 per share. Alpha Fibonacci trader sleeps well at night, knowing very crucial buy point. So when Amazon does this, no one is surprised. Amazon have been in correction for the last 6 weeks. What to do with your position? You must know Alpha Fibonacci rules, as Brad, as Dominic apply to their trading. So Scott is a new legend. We're celebrating 10-year anniversary of Fibonacci Trading Institute with traders sharing what they trade and how. This is from this morning, an hour ago. Ken, his video on the website, -7%, 88 for 88 trades. You can view the movie as Ken has done. During the crisis, he dived deep into the system. He took advantage of the crisis. As Scott shares, this is what he has done: 806% on 500 LNK USD and other stocks. This is community of incredible traders. Time and time again. This is what possible. This is only this morning and yesterday. That's it. You will never need anything else. It is that simple. This is Scott's account. Prior to the start of the course, the account was at 4 million. He is well above 6 million. You do not need multi-million-dollar account, as you can see from Ken's video on Ken's performance. Ken started trading from micro account. Traders trading the system from few $100 account to multi-million and billion-dollar accounts. It shows you what's possible if you make an effort. It is that simple. Choice is yours. What you want to trade. Second key step, strategize as institutional traders do. identify institutional trends and ranges prior to placing a trade. Successful trader trades only with institutions and never ever ever against institutions. So if you're looking at this chart, take a look. This is Dow prior to reaching Alpha Fibonacci support. Correct? On March 23rd, panic. Market halted. Alpha Fibonacci trader is excited. Alpha Fibonacci trader knows that no matter what on the news, when this support is reached, it is ultimate buy point. This is what played out during sell-off traders. It is absolutely stunning reminder how essential and crucial it is to turn off the noise, to turn off the panic, to turn off the negativity, and to understand negativity and panic sells, makes money for top 1%, which just became 25% richer. I coach my traders how to become top 1%, how to buy the bottom with institutions. Traders focusing on price, buying with institutions and not against them. Right now, from this point, this is where Dow is. There is no surprise. We're dealing with the most challenging markets on record. This scroll, this pain can remain for many months. Very few gems are present. But as I was recording in this morning's video, where you can see thousands of videos on our YouTube channel, when market giving you such a pain, when market giving you such dangerous trading ranges, with Alpha Fibonacci software, you are not losing sleep, you are not in panic. Pure price, buy and sell points. Very few are present. Institutions keep adding to their positions. Buying the bottom was ultimate buy point during panic, during negativity. Challenging markets are here to stay. This is your ultimate test. You can deal with this market. You can deal with the rest easy. Institutional traders packing Hamptons, historical values in real estate in Hamptons, because traders cannot leave the country. So if they're holding positions, if they're bathing on the beach, you are tested to the core. Ask yourself a question. Have you been buying the bottom? Have you been trading with institutions? If the answer is not, you have a lot to learn. Taking crucial steps with Alpha Fibonacci System. And that remains the core, and that remains critical, as you can see traders do. On institutional morning, trading morning lasts less than 2 minutes. As Brad joking, you saw his performance. As Scott, after 1 month in the course, took his account from 100,000 to 4.5 million. Gene is trading on options. This is the reason we are celebrating 10-year anniversary. This is what traders focusing on. Pure price and Alpha Fibonacci only. You will never need anything else. So when oil crashes and reaches ultimate bottom, this is where intelligent trader buys from. The ultimate bottom is exactly what played out recently on oil. 2 years later, oil doubles in value. And when oil reaches reversal zone, oil starts selling off. No one is surprised. And when this year oil is selling off, intelligent trader understands what to pay attention to. Whereas ultimate buy point will be, it's at the bottom, it's negative. We've never seen negative number before. Intelligent trader knows if Alpha Fibonacci system showing you negative buy point, be prepared to buy. Never ever ever short near. And oil skyrocketing from the bottom, been frozen at Alpha Fibonacci resistance for the last 2 months. So if you understand how to buy the bottom, how to sell the top, it doesn't matter if you trade 5-minute or daily or hourly or holding position for months and years, price action remains the same. Every single day your trading range changes. It is essential to identify this. Every single day for the last few weeks, trading range had been very challenging because of overextended rallies. But if I bring up to your attention Dow right now, Dow giving you 10 times more trades than S&P. This was ultimate buy point, July 30th and 31st. Yesterday Dow was in chop for 7 hours. Ultimate buy point on Monday, and yesterday Asian session. It's chop again. If I convert this chart to 5, what do you see? Ouch, it's a waste of time trading Dow now. Buy the bottom, buy at support. If you respect and understand this challenging market, you will not waste your time trading junk. You will buy at ultimate buy points. And you will never trade against institutions. It should never, ever, ever be an option. So when markets are at very difficult points, traders share. When my YM is mentally irregular, no trades this morning, moving to different instruments, trading S&P, trading gold. For Scott, cryptocurrency always moving. Emmanuel with his incredible wife trading Nasdaq, trading S&P. If these traders can do this during such difficult market conditions, imagine what they will do when markets are easy. Fourth crucial step, utilize synchronicity of the markets. If you are operating with scanner, it is very, very easy. When multiple alerts come on your scanner, it means institutional buying. Choose the best trade. With a single click, you can add any instrument. You want to add multiple instruments, please do. And if you would like to add hundreds of stocks, many traders do. No speculation, no need to flip charts, chase the markets and place trades after the fact. Your fifth crucial step of the Alpha Fibonacci system, to trade with supportive, like-minded traders with experienced mentor with established system. This is from this morning. I love the comment from Emmanuel. Allah's teaching is ridiculous. If we just listen to what she teaches, we will be millionaires in less than a year, as many have done exactly that. Emmanuel brought his wife to the course and his best friend. Ken 88 at 88, as Scott is joking, this is only the beginning. And that's from this morning alone. There is no surprise, all precise with Alpha Fibonacci system. And that's community of incredible traders in US and globally in the last 10 years. So this is from Scott. He became bored with futures. He went to stocks. Scott never day traded before. This is very first time. With Alpha Fibonacci system from $100,000 account, Scott simply made a serious effort. And when Jennifer sending me this email, sharing this, so grateful what you've given us, hope, potential, and possibility. This is during insane crisis. This is the email I woke up to this morning. Stories like Scott, stories like Jennifer's, like Emmanuel's, like Ken's, like Brad's, like Dominic's, like every single trader who comes to me who is serious about trading, shows you what's possible if you make an effort. That's it. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exit. Scanner is very powerful tool. And if you decide to trade gold, of course you can. Many traders do. Nothing blocking your vision. No delayed indicators here. None are present. And if I remind you the power of the system on Apple. 2015 Apple comes out with the worst earnings in 13 years. I present at hedge fund convention and I say, the most important thing is if Apple will respect support or not. Bright pink Alpha Fibonacci support is the most important support in the market. And when despite the worst earnings, Apple stages the most spectacular rally and doubles in value 2 years later, this is stunning reminder. Turn off the noise. Pay attention to price. And if you do, with Alpha Fibonacci System, you will sleep much better at night. And you can trade as Dominic, as Scott, as Brad, as Jennifer, as Emmanuel does. And when Apple reaches next level after earnings, you are not surprised. You are very well prepared in advance. And when Apple takes a massive pause at reversal zone, what do you see at the bottom? Bullish trend inception, 140 level. Correct? Apple in freefall. Intelligent trader understands to buy its support. But when Apple reaches reversal zone, it's a problem again. That's it. This is Apple in the last few months. From 140 to 322. During crisis, your ultimate buy point was 220. Identical bright pink line as played out during worst earnings in 2015. That's the power of the system. You decide what you want to trade. System applies to every instrument, every time frame. It is that simple. Our students winning Forex competitions after a couple of classes. This is the end of the minor trend on pound respecting this level for 7 years. After the low from 2100 level, 136 is crucial on pound. Next level 124 and 111 is critical. So how is it possible? When Brexit playing out, why in the world is pound rallying? For one simple reason, pound reached Alpha Fibonacci bullish trend inception, doing exact same thing as Apple have done, as S&P have done, as Dow, as oil, as Amazon have done. Reminding you, Fibonacci is what forms all the market. With predictive, precise Alpha Fibonacci system, you can trade any instrument you choose. Simply identify what's appropriate for you and your account. So if complete beginner Pablo came to me, he never pushed a button on Ninja Trader. He didn't know what Ninja was. 2 years later, Pablo is founded by top step trader. Pablo started trading live after 3 classes. That's it. Now Pablo's 7-year-old son trading with him, preparing to beat Andy's son, Dominic. That's it. Brad's story you can see. 20 years of trying, making $9 an hour. Finally start trading live with 25K account. This is what Brad has done first year. Boom. Brad said goodbye to Best Buy. Brad is his own boss, spending less than 8 hours in front of the screen. You can become Brad. All you have to do, make an effort. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. You can win Forex competition as Kerry has done. And that's the power of the system, which you can trade with or without software, with consistency, with confidence, with precision. So if you come to our homepage, it is all on our homepage, traders. In summary, proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system traded on Wall Street and in 50 plus countries since 2011. Future stocks, Forex, ETFs, Bitcoins, options. Method traded in Saudi Arabia on stocks and instruments I've never seen in my life. You decide what you want to trade. It is that simple. And when you listen to podcasts from our incredible traders, when you view their stories, when you view their journeys, right below you can see 4 options. For any platform comes with 3 months live group course, with video library, with modules, with software for Ninja 8, with video library, with live classes, with trading room, every single option. But if you choose private mentoring, I only have opening because traders like Dominic taking vacation. Otherwise, private mentoring fully booked. Due to current crisis, we are offering currently $2,000 off each package. Only few spots left. As this traders share, this is one of the best things they've ever done in their life. They found freedom. They found peace. They will survive any crisis. That's the power of being Alpha Fibonacci trader. So if you review the information on the website, if you view our video library, if you see students' journeys and stories, and you review all the information on the other pages, if you view our latest articles and videos on blog, I look forward to speaking with you. Simply click on Contact Us page and call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much.